I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get it. All right, you guys, I want to bring you a review on the T-Wolf S5 colorful Illumina speakers for your desktop computer. Get ready to go into the unboxing and I'll let you know how these things sound. The T-Wolf S5 right here. As you can see, you come in different colors right here. I have the black version of it. And if you read all the instructions here, you'll notice, it definitely has maximum power, speaker system, technical parameter, move to noise ratio, signal to noise ratio, frequency response, and distortion. 2.0 speakers, 3 width times 2, 3.5 inches wide, 4 on the depth, 58 decibels, 20 hertz, 20 kilohertz, 80 hertz to 20 kilohertz distortion. So let's open this box up and see what we got. Inside the box, you're going to have the 2 speakers. I actually already have them out the box. You're going to have 2 speakers. You're going to have right here, you're going to have 3.5 milliliter audio input USB right here. And then there's the USB port right there. 3.5 millimeter and a USB. USB gives you your power. 3.5 millimeter gives you your sound. You also have a volume adjuster here. This little thing right here, you hit that and you adjust the volume right there. And only thing, it's just not very long cord, so you definitely have to have these right next to your monitor or your computer system, because the cord is not that very long. So, but just a simple little speakers, not too much, real basic. But you're gonna hear right now, these things really do pump. So just a little nice little cheap speakers, boom. I think I only spent like maybe $25 for it. So let's hook them up and let's see how they sound. You're definitely gonna appreciate them. They bump a little bit. Let's see how it do. As you guys can see, I've got the speakers hooked up to my computer. If you look at them and notice real closely, you'll see that the light is changing. You see how the light is changing as they're on? It's changed to different colors. The lights are changing, so you do have the RGB lights built into the speakers, and they're changing. I'm going to put on a little bit of music. I ain't going to play it too long because I don't want to get no copyright, but I just got them right here. I'm getting ready to show you guys what it sounds like as they blast. Here we go, right here. Let's put this on for a little bit. That's that. Let me play something else. I don't want to get copyright, so I'll just give you a little sample there. No, the lights don't move to the music. The lights just move, on their own. They change color. I guess they got a certain time interval, but they don't move to the music just on their own. And it looks real good. So even if I turn this out at night, let me turn the light out. You can see, how they change colors there, and goes with my little setup because I got my little bass and I got more lights over there. So, and then like I said, I put on something. It sounds real nice. So definitely good and loud. Yeah. And also, they've got a little, here's my computer setup. So they've got a little switch right here. Let me actually turn the light back on for you guys. So it has a little volume switch right here. You turn this up and down on the volume. So I don't even have this thing up loud. Let me, now it's all the way up loud. And let's listen to this same song. Let's listen to it all the way up. That's the volume all the way up. So this thing's pump. They definitely pump. Yeah, you guys, I definitely would recommend these speakers. They're nice little speakers. They basically as tall as my hand. Probably not even as tall as the top of my fingers. So nice little speakers. They're compact. They definitely hook right into USB. Plug them up. USB, then to to the headphone jack, and you in there. So I would highly recommend you guys getting these speakers. $25 I think I paid for it. Free shipping I think it was. Pick them up. If I can find them, I have the link below. So you definitely click on that link and you can get them, and they definitely a little nice speaker, especially if you got kids that like to bump. You know, well, you might not want to hear all that noise, but if you like to bump a little music, and if you're a gamer, some gamers don't like to have the sound in their headset because, you know, messing with the ears, they like to hear it off the computer. So if you got like an enclosed room, game room or something like that that's closed off, put these speakers in there, you can bump with them. Boom. So this is James with another review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.